Here we go. It's the oil change in BMW K1200R 2005 model. What we got here is the bike. I removed the seats already, so that's the access for the oil. Where is the oil store? Here on this side we have the oil filter, which we're gonna remove. But first thing you need to do is you need to warm up your engine, which I done already. Oil is nice, so it's gonna go very nice and easy. First thing you're gonna do is starting from here. We're cleaning this area here and this one as well. I done that already. And you need to squeeze these two things around, and that should go on. I just don't want to go off. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording, gonna move it and to get it off. So what you need to do now is take this one. You need to be careful on the exhaust, because the exhaust is just next to my hands and it's hot. So you need to squeeze this one there. Should go nice and easy, buddies. It's not going, that's gone. Now this is going down and the oil is coming down this thing. It's twisting over there. So here. So this one going nice and easy now. Gonna let it dry like that because it's gonna take a while. So I would reckon 5 minutes at least for go down. Okay, this is all gone. All the oil stop leaking from the container. Now we're gonna move here, which is the oil inside of the engine. It's sitting where you have the exhaust, just between. I don't know if it's gonna be visible now. Somewhere there. Yeah, it's visible. There's a screw we need to remove. Now we have screw removed from the bottom of the engine. That's our nice screw. It's these screws, they're actually magnetic. So you can see they're catching small particles inside. What we have to do, we need to clean it nicely. We're gonna use the same screw. Start looking nice already. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So this end is magnetic, it's catching all the metal, which shouldn't go around the engine because the filter is not gonna catch it, everything. So they install something like that. Quite cool. Okay, I'm gonna clean this one, put the screw back on place, and it's time to fill up engine with the oil. It's somewhere there. I don't know if you can see it. It's there, so it's nice and tightened. Before we're gonna put the oil inside, we still need to change the filter, which is here. I changed this filter already, and I put the K and N because of nice removing thing. You have the screw here, just putting 70 on, and you're just unscrewing it without additional tools or anything else. It's going actually nice and easy, so I think that's the best way to do this one. Okay, I'm just gonna start unscrewing this one. We'll come back soon with the result. I actually couldn't unscrew the filter because it's stuck as always, so what I've done, I just removed this one screw, and now I removing this one like that. So now it's gonna go nice and easy. If you're gonna have a struggle, like I had a little bit, good idea is to use the oil WD-40 and spray it just everywhere around the oil filter. And now, you can see, it's gonna go nice and easy. Okay, that's the filter out. That's how it looks here. Let it dry a little bit, wipe it nicely, and put the new filter in. Oil filter, place clean nicely because oil leaking on the pipe, exhaust pipe, and when you're gonna start the bike, it's gonna burn, it's gonna smell. So it's a good idea to clean it before you're gonna install. Very important thing what you need to do: grab some of the new oil and put around the seal here, so that's what we're gonna do. New oil, put around here, and now the filter is ready to go inside. Okay, this is done inside. Okay, now we're gonna tighten it, so we need to put the phone down. Everything is in place, filter on place. Put the lever to change the gears on place as well. Everything is on place, screw on the bottom in place. Here this pipe is attached again. And now we need to fill up the oil to maximum, run the engine a little bit, top it up, and test right. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's all done. All we got here is the oil level, little bit more than a half. That's what you want to do, and this level is perfect for this engine. So that's the job done. Collect all the tools, clean the rest of the oil which drip anywhere, and you're done. Just change the filter and the oil in your BMW. Thanks for watching, and ta-da!